Hi, I'm Tony McHugh, President of AM Machinery Sales. Today we're going to talk about how the technology has changed in deburring and finishing for the sheet metal industry. Lasers have really advanced over the years, punch presses have really advanced, and in fact most laser manufacturers today claim that there's no burrs left after they get done. Well, it's kind of true, it is a true statement. However, what they do have is they have a very square edge. When they cut with the laser, it becomes a very sharp and keen edge. A little too sharp where people can still get hurt on it. Now, that's technology as far as the lasers are concerned. There's different types of lasers, which you all probably know about. But what we're doing is we're talking about deburring and finishing. Deburring and finishing is a whole separate endeavor. Over the 30-some years that I've been in the business and about the 50-some years that these wide belt machines have been in existence, everybody has used a contact drum in a machine. I have a small contact drum here just to give you an idea what they look like, just in case you didn't know. But these come in all different sizes. They come in all sorts of durometers, which is the hardness. They have the land, the groove cut in them for different applications, whether you're going to be removing metal, finishing metal, whatever it may be. This is what the contact drum's for. Now, like I said, over all these years and to this day, 90% of the people out there still use contact drums in their machines. And what we're here to talk about today is something that we're doing a little bit different. We sell what is known as a Lauer machine. Lauer is a German manufacturer. They've been building this type of machinery for a good 50-some years now, I believe it is. And they build a machine that we call our Discmaster, which is done a little bit different. It has the same general concept and principles as you do with a contact drum, meaning the hardness and things of that nature. But the disc, in this case, this is what a disc looks like. Now, this is a 6-inch. We have them in 10-inch, and I believe there's a 16-inch as well. If you look at this orange area, it's soft. It collapses. Going back to the disc, the hardness, it collapses in and out of holes, over edges. The next thing you see on top is Velcro. Velcro is so that we can take an abrasive, and we can put the abrasive right on like this, and it's ready to run. It's that simple, that quick to change over an abrasive. When you're in a situation where you need something harder, this is basically soft. It gives you the ability to run up over the edges. It gives you the ability to do slight upforms. It gives you the ability to do edge deburring made easy, so to speak. When this abrasive comes up to an edge of a part, it literally rides up over it, and as it's going over it, you'll see it's pushing, it's grinding the edge. When you have a contact drum, the contact drum is hitting a very small point. Depending on the diameter of the contact drum would dictate how much of a point it is. But this point where it makes contact is very, very small. In a case like this, you might find that it's a 1/16 of an inch, the contact area. If you get into a larger contact drum, yeah, it might go up to 1/8 of an inch, 3/16, but you're going to only touch a small amount. In a disc, that abrasive is on there, and your part is now going underneath the disc, and as it's going under, the disc is turning. It spends whatever diameter that is, that whole time underneath the abrasive as it's going through, giving the part more time to be deburred and giving a rounded edge or whatever it is we're trying to accomplish. Now, you may find in some cases with a laser you might get splatter, and you need to get the splatter off where it's molten metal just readhering itself to the surface. If that's the case, you're going to have to become a little bit more aggressive, and typically that's where we start using abrasives. But we may find that still may not be good enough because of the softness of the drum. It'll ride up over the splatter marks that are there. So typically what we'll do is we'll go to another type of contact drum. Same general principle. The only thing we're doing is adding an aluminum plate onto the end and then putting the Velcro. This stiffens the process up so that when you put this disc on, you're going to hit that splatter marks and you're going to remove them. Okay? So give us a call. We'll talk to you about this as well and explain in further detail if you have any questions.